Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, we are going to review Answerly. Answerly is a CMS or customer relationship management system by which you can create your knowledge base and help desk for your company or for your organization, which will look almost like this. As you can see, this is, and Answerly is running its lifetime deal on PeaceGround. I'll give the link of Answerly in the description of this video. But before that, let's see what have inside of Answerly. At first, let me log in Answerly. This is the dashboard of Answerly, guys, as you can see. And on the dashboard, you can see today's total searches, total number of people who helped today, and total answer read today. You can see the knowledge based visitor as a graph here, and you can write an answer by clicking here on this first quadrant. You can create a category by clicking on this second quadrant. You can invite your colleague or your team member by clicking on this third quadrant, and you can instantly embed the page on your website just by clicking here and copy this code and embed it anywhere you want. This is the quick overview, guys, of the dashboard of Answerly. After that, we have the write an answer tab. If we go to here, from here we can create answer or we can create category. Let create a category at first. After giving the name of the category, just click on add. Your category will be created. I'll create two more categories. You can create also subcategory under one category. Just click on new and click on new category. From here you can select the parent category. Suppose I will select the parent category is billing information, and I will give the name of the subcategory is PayPal billing, and the second category will be maybe card payment or card billing, and I want to keep it under billing information. Just add. So I have created two subcategory under one category or under one main category, or I can keep it only one category individually also here. After that, I have to write answer. To write answer, just click on new, and from here, if I click on new answer, and you have to select here under which category you want to keep this answer. Suppose I want to keep it under Passivern overview, and after that give the title of the answer. After giving the title, just click on add. Here after that, write your answer. Suppose I'm giving here some dummy text to save our time. Suppose, guys, this is my writing. After writing, you can design or you can format the writing as you want. Suppose I want to keep it as a listing format, so I'll keep here bullet list, so it is in listing format. You can make the writings bold, you can make it italic, you can underline here, you can give here any heading. Suppose I'll give a heading, test heading, and if I click on age, then I can give here heading. I can insert here code also. As you can see, if I click here on code, then I can give here any code. Suppose give the name of your code here. Suppose I will give test code. After that, click on add. So your text has been added here as embedded code. Or I'll give another code. Suppose I'm pasting a code, and if I click on it add, then it will show like that. As you can see, it's showing like that. So guys, in this way you can also insert code on your knowledge base here, and in the right down corner there have a button. If you click on this, as you can see, there have a lot of things that you can do. Suppose you want to insert an image here, just drag and drop this image section here, and here you can upload your image. Suppose I am uploading the logo of Passivern here. After that, you can also give here all text of your logo. After adding your logo and alt text, just click on add. Then you will see your logo has been added here. You can edit the image, and you can also But one of the problem is here you cannot align the image. I think the answerly authority should I think the answerly authority or answerly developer should consider this, because I want to keep it on the middle place, on the center of the page, but I cannot drag and drop here horizontally. I can only drag and drop here vertically. As you can see, it's I can drag and drop here vertically, but I cannot drag and drop here horizontally. This may be one of the problem, guys. And you can also delete it by clicking here on this delete button. After that, suppose you want a divider, so just drag and drop this divider here. Your divider will be placed on the place where you want to place the divider. After that, you can also create here table. Suppose I will drag here the table, and from here you can select how many columns and how many rows you want to keep in your column. Suppose I want to keep 3 columns and 4 rows. Let's see what happened. Yeah, after that, after selecting your number of column and number of row, you have to just click on add. That's all, guys. Here is the similar problem. I think I cannot drag it horizontally. I can only drag it vertically. I think it should be solved by Answerly developers. So guys, these are the things. Now you can edit the column. You can add your things. You can add your data on the column. Suppose I will add in the third column and third row. Anything you can add here actually. After that, click on save. So your data will be saved here. As you can see, you can add all the things here. And you can add horizontal divider. After that, here have the option of block code. Just drag and drop the block code, and here you can add the code. Suppose I will add one of my favorite code here. This is the code, guys, and after that you can also give the name of the author of the code. The author of this code is Eric Jorgensen, and this code is one of my very favorite code. After adding the code, you can click on add. So as you can see, your code will be added like this. And I'm recommending, guys, this code is from a book, and the name of the book is The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. If you did not read this book, you must read this book. It is one of my favorite book, guys, and it's the book is about financial management, financial strategy of your life. So it's highly recommended to read this book. I will give the link of the book in the description of this video. It's totally free. You can download the book and you can read the book. Anyway, after that we have the option to embed code. As you can see, here you can add your code and you can select the programming language here. Suppose it can be Ada, Bash, Basic. There have a lot of C++, C sharp. There have a lot of type of code. Suppose I will add a C++ code here. So I will select C++, and after that I will write the C++ code here. Suppose this is my C++ code. After that, just click on add. So you can add the code here in this way. And that means from this code button you can add basically simple codes, but from this code button you can add any types of code or any types of programming language. After that, the last option is we have YouTube video. So we can add here YouTube video also. Just drag and drop the YouTube video option here. After that, add the link of your YouTube video. Suppose I will add one of my YouTube video link here. After adding the link of your YouTube video, just click on add. And that in this way, your YouTube video will be embedded on your knowledge page or knowledge graph, as anything you can say. So guys, this is the way. After decorating your page, you can now give the meta title of your page, the meta description and meta keywords. I'm not giving anything right now. And you can also use here custom CSS and custom JavaScript code. You can upload your image here. Suppose I will upload one image here. So guys, I have uploaded the image. Let's see what happened. After doing everything, just click on save. Must you have to click on save, otherwise in this page will be deleted. So just click on save here. After clicking on save, now if you want to publish it, just click on publish. Similarly, you can write as many answer you want. Suppose I will write to short answer here in this billing information section. Just click on new and click on new answer. That's all guys. After doing everything, just click on save and then click on publish. After that, we have knowledge base setting. Let's go to this knowledge base setting. From here you can change the background hero section. I'm keeping it as it is. I like the color, but if you want to change the background image, then you can upload your background image from here. After that, you can change the logo here. You can keep here on your own company logo. You do not have to show the Answerly logo. Actually, just click on delete, and from here click on delete. After that, select your logo. That means select your company logo here. So guys, the company logo has been selected, and also you can change the writings from here if you want. Suppose, hi there, do you want any help from Passivern? So you can change the text here also. After that, just click on apply. This is the look and feel option guys. After that, you can change the colors from here. I'm not changing anything. You can change according to your brand and according to your need. After that, we have the navigation option. Here you can add the navigation button here. Suppose I'll add some link in the header. i'll I'll add here home, and I'll give the link here. Just click on add. So home navigation has been added guys. After that, I will add some more navigation here. So guys, in this way you can add as many navigation button you want to add on the header. Similarly, you can add the navigation button in the footer. I will add two button in the footer. Just click on add link, and here give about, anything you can give. So guys, as you can see in the header section, about and get answerly lifetime deal, these two button has been added. In this way you can add navigations in answerly pages. After that, click on apply, and after that we have the integration option. From this integration app option, what you can do, you can enable Google Analytics just by clicking here. You can add Google Analytics tracking ID just by clicking here. I'm not adding right now, but you can add definitely here. After that, we have Google Tag Manager. That means we can add Google Tag Manager also here. And if you can add Google Tag Manager, then you can add rest of the other analytical things also. That means at first you have to add Google Tag Manager, then with Google Tag Manager you can add as many analytical platform you want. So this is the options guys. In the integration section, you can add your tracking ID, your tag manager ID here. After that, click on apply, and then you can from here. After that, we have social links option. Here you can add your social pages links. Suppose I will add my Facebook page link. Similarly, you can add Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Reddit, and your GitHub account also you can add here in this footer section. After that, click on apply. Now we have the contact page option. So if you go to this contact page option, then this form is very beautiful. It's very professional, you can use it. So send us message, you can customize this text from here. We respond in 5 minutes, this is the text. And here is the email field, here is the message field, and you can change the send button text also. Here is the link of your contact page. If we go to this link, suppose, as you can see, so this is the contact page link, as you can see. But the problem is, your contact page link you have to add on your navigation section. That means you have to copy this contact page link, and after that you have to go to your navigation section, and after that you have to add your contact page on your navigation section. It can be on the footer, it can be on the header. I will add it on the header. Suppose it will be contact, and here just add the link. In this way you can show your contact page also in your knowledge base. But if you do not do this thing, then your contact page will not be visible in your knowledge base. That's why you must have to do this thing. As you can see here, copy the link above and add it to your knowledge base using the navigation setting. So you have to do this, it's instructing you here. After that, in the other section, let's see what have. If you go to the other section here, you can keep the answerly branding from here. And if you do not like to keep here the answerly branding, then you have to untick it, it will go away. After that, there have enable answerly tracking. So if you want to keep enabled answerly tracking, then you have to click it. That means answerly will track all the data that's happening here on this knowledge base. And here it's saying that answerly tracking is privacy and GDPR safe. And now you can add here global CSS and global JavaScript also. After that, click on apply. In the homepage section we have SEO. In this SEO section you can give the homepage a title, you can give a description, and you can give a keyword also here. Suppose I'll give here a title, and I'll give here a description. Here you can give your keyword. After that, click on apply. And here also have the option to give open graph. As you can see, I'm not giving anything, but you can also create your open graph here on this answerly dashboard. After that, in the widget mode we have configure section. As you can see, in the configure section you can change this button. You can keep it, you can keep it. As you can see, it's changing. I'm clicking and it's changing. Suppose I'll keep this one, or you can keep anything you want. Suppose you can keep this one or this one. I'm keeping this one. After that, you can change the position also. It's now in the right position, you can keep it in the left position. That means it is in the left position. You can change the position. You can change the widget width. Now it's 550 pixel. If you want to increase it, then you can increase it from here. As you can see, it's increasing. If I make it 800 pixel, let's see what happened. So it's 800 pixel and it will be increased. As you can see, it's increased. Before it was 550 pixel. You can keep it up to 1000 pixel. After that, you can also increase the toggle icon margin from here. It's 25 pixel. If you make it 65 pixel, then it will increase. In this way you can change, or you can reset the thing also here by clicking here reset changes. After that, click on apply. You can instantly embed this thing. Just copy this code and embed the code where you want to embed this knowledge base on your websites. That means you can embed the knowledge base on your website also, just by copying this small piece of code, and then you can paste the code on your website, your knowledge base will be embedded. That's all, guys. After that, we have help desk widget section. That means um, Answerly also offering you help desk widget. That means you are getting a knowledge base in Answerly. Besides, you are getting a help desk widget. As you can see, this is the help desk widget. Here, people can search on your website, and you can customize it also. Suppose this is the look and feel, how you want to show this here. Toggle icon, you can change the toggle icon. You can change the logo from here. I'm not changing, but you can change it. After that, there have color studios, you can change the colors. I'm not changing, but you can change the colors according to your brand and according to your branding, your need. After that, we have start page option. Here you can add new components. There have only get in touch, so you can ask a question, people can ask question here, people can give the email, and here people can message here. And if they click on go back, they will go back in the previous position. You can add new components, just click on add components. Here you can add answer, category, contact, banner, explore, vertical cap. It already added contact, that's why it's showing blurred. But if I click on banner, let's see what happened. Here it will add a new banner. Suppose I'm giving a title here, test banner. You can format this text here. Suppose you can bold here, you can italic here, underline here, you can give here any link. Suppose I will give a link here. So guys, your link is added. In this way you can add. But okay, so in this way you can add the content. After that, click on add component. So guys, as you are seeing, the banner has been added here. Similarly, you can add another component. Suppose you want to add category, answer. Suppose I will add category, and here you have to pick a category. The categories that you created right now. I am keeping card billing, so I can add here only published categories. That means I cannot add here unpublished category, as I didn't published all the category still. That's why it's showing me only one category, and on this category there have zero answer. That's why it's not showing here, guys. But you can add here. After that, you can add here explore vertical gaps. Suppose if you click here vertical gaps, then as you can see, there have a gaps. In this way you can decorate your help desk, guys, in Answerly. I think it's very good. After that, we have the contact page option. In the contact page option, you can also add your team member here. Just click on add and invite the team member, invite by their email ID, and you can give them permission here as administrator, agent, editor, email support agent. Suppose I will add one person as agent. I'm inviting him by email ID. After that, just click on invite. So the invitation has been sent. After that, get back. Now if he accept the invitation, then his avatar will shown here in this position. That means in the help desk of Answerly, you can show multiple avatar here on this place. After that, we have the other option. Here you can enable the tracking, and you can enable or disable the Answerly branding. Personally, I don't like this type of branding, so I'll keep it off. After that, we have instant embed. You can embed this help desk on your website also. Just copy this code and then paste the code at the place where you want to embed this help desk. It will be embedded. Guys, the next thing is the search widget setting. That means you can also customize the search widget of your knowledge base here. From here you can change the look and feel. Suppose how you want it will change. The search icon will change. You can change the search icon. There have a lot of search icons. Suppose I want to keep this one. After that, you can also change the placeholder search for answer on Passivern. Suppose on Passivern, you can change it. You can outline, you can change the outline style. Suppose you can keep it border, no outline, or you can keep it shadow. I'm keeping as it is. You can also change the corner style. You can change the height of the search bar here, and if you select the keep search open in preview, then it will show like this, and your recent answers will be shown here. As it's showing no answer, as there is no answer on this knowledge base, that's why it's showing like this. But in your case, if you have answer, then your answers will be shown here. But if you keep it unticked, then it will not show. After that, click on apply, and in the next section, color studio, you can change the colors. I'm not changing, I'm keeping it as it is. In the create actions option, there have new action. If you click on new action, you can give here title, suppose test title. Let me give an URL here. After that, click on add. If I click on add, let's see what happened. Okay, this is the action it will show. Now if anyone search here, he or she will see the button and the button text here. If they click on here, they will go to this place. That means you can place here, or you can showcase here any of your important link on this place. If you add another action here, suppose I will add action 2 quickly, and if you click on add, let's see what happened. If anyone search, it will show like this. That means you can enable here, or you can display here some of your important links in the search button. That can increase your traffic. After that, in the other section, you can here show answerly branding or enable answerly tracking. In the instant embedding, you can embed this search icon, or you can embed the search template on your website. After that, the last option is notify. In this notify option, let's see what happened or what have. This is the thing. In this notify option, you can add a notification at the top of your website. As you can see, this is the notification. As you can see, it's showing notify your users with rich text and emojis. You can add here emoji, you can add here links, you can customize this one also. This is the notify section, guys. You can keep it top, you can keep it in the bottom. As you can see, um, as you want to keep, I'm keeping it in the top. And from this color studio, people can change colors. In the others option, people can add here custom css, custom javascript. So after doing everything, just click on apply. In the instant embedding option, you can embed this notify section on your website by just copying and pasting this code on your website. After that, the next thing is your email. As you can see at the bottom of this answerly page, there have a option your email. If you go to this option, then from here you can send email to your customers or to your clients. Suppose I'll type an email address. This is one of my email address, and I'll type some message here. Here you can format the text, you can bold it, italic it, underline it, everything you can do actually. Anyway, after typing the email address of the client and after typing the message, I will just click on send. Let's see what happened. So I have just sent the message. Now I will check this message. As you can see, this is the email on which email I have sent the mail or the message, and this is the message that I have got. If I enter on the message, then as you can see, the message has been sent here, and the sender of this message is pass@answerly.io. That means pass is, this is your username. That means Answerly will provide you a new email where the format of your email will be your username @answerly.io, and through this email Answerly will send all your email. Now if I reply on this, let's see what happened here. Anyway, I'm writing a dummy answer here. After that, I'm clicking send. So the message has been sent. Let's see what happened now. Let me refresh it at first. Okay, the message that I have replied, it has been sent here. As you can see, thank you so much for your email. I have replied this text to this email. So in this way, you can send email by using this Answerly dashboard, and you can get the reply also on there. And this is active email, this is closed email. Here is your draft email. You can close it, you can draft it, you can reply from here, close the conversation from here, and I think it will now store in this closed section. If you draft any of your conversation, then it will be stored on this draft section, and if you delete it, it will be stored on your trash section. As you can see from here, you can also mark it as a spam. So these are the things, guys. Here is the complete email solution you have. So you are getting here complete email dashboard, where you can do almost every basic thing of email. After that, we have report and statistics option. In this report and statistics option, you will see your daily visitor count report as a graph, search per day, what are people searching, you will see here, and search query data also you can see here. And this is the knowledge base data. If you want to see the help desk widget data, then it will show you here. Similarly, the search widget data will be shown here. It's very simple, guys, and people can also give rating to your answer. The ratings will be shown here in this place. So, guys, these are the functionalities that you are getting on Answerly. If I summary, you are getting an dashboard where you can write your answers. You are getting knowledge base setting. You are getting help desk widget setting. You are getting search widget setting, and you are getting a notify setting. And after that, you are getting a complete email solution here. You are getting your reports and statistics here. It's a very simple dashboard, you can easily use it. And this is the home dashboard, where you can see all your statistics and all the things at a glance. Now if you want to see how the page or how the knowledge base looks that I have designed right now, just click on here, view, and you will see this is the page that I have created. You can create more beautiful template, because I have just created it for tutorial purpose. You can create it with more professionality. Suppose if I click on this answer, how Passivern works, then as you can see, this is the answer. This is the code that I have embedded. This is the column. Sorry, this is the table, and this is the image that I have embedded. And at the last, people can react here. You can see this reaction summary or reaction statistics also on your Answerly dashboard. If I back from here you can see all your category. One of my category was Passivern overview, another category was billing information, and under billing information there have two more categories. So these are the subcategories under billing information, as I have created two subcategories under this billing information category, which are PayPal billing and card billing. These are the options, or these are the text that I have keep here under these categories. So guys, these are the view. As you can see, here I have the navigation menus, home and lifetime deal. In the footer, I have also the navigation menu, about, Answerly lifetime deal, contact. I have my social icons. Here I have my brand logo. So guys, these are the things that Answerly is offering you. And if you want to make a great knowledge base for your business or for your website, then definitely you can use Answerly. I think it's a great choice for you. And if you go to Ground, this is the lifetime deal of Answerly, and the price of Answerly starts from 49 USD, as you can see from here, and it can be up to, as you can see, up to 297 USD, and it's for lifetime. You can use it for lifetime. Just purchase it if you want, and if you really need it, then purchase it. I think it's a good deal if you want to build your knowledge base and help desk for your website or for your business. I think it's a good deal. I'll give the link in the description of this video, and definitely it's an affiliate link. If you buy using this link, I will get a small commission and it will not cost you any further money. So if you think you want to help me or you want to support this channel, then please use this link to buy this deal. And please guys, comment below how I can improve more, how I can help you more. I am new in the YouTube platform but I want to grow, and I have created a Facebook group for you guys. I'll give the link of the Facebook group in the description of this video if you want. This is the group guys, if you want you can join. I'll give the link of this group in the description of this video. This is the community for lifetime deal and SaaS lifetime deal talk. You can discuss about various lifetime deals here. I think it's a good platform, and if you want Answerly, then I'll give the link of Answerly also in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed the channel yet. Thank you so much for watching.